Make a slime face mask and the girls will give me 3 million likes and new followers. Let's go. Okay, first I've got to get the slime into the face mask maker. Okay, and now the slime's in there, we've got to add hot water. Okay, now we're going to add the water, add the peptide, and turn it on. Uh-oh. So, because of the slime, it won't mix, but I'm going to have to try and dissolve it and then let it mix. Okay, guys, it's mixing, and I'm going to leave it for a few minutes. Okay, guys, and I think it's ready, so I'm just going to pour it in. Ew. And now we're going to let it set. Okay, guys, the girls better not be lying because this is probably so bad for my skin. Oh, it didn't set. Please don't be lying.